My dear friends, today I can see the impact of our program. You are the new generation. You are the new generation. As our president said, everyone should speak 3 languages. Can you imagine? You are the generation that speaks 3 languages. And you will be rich with that. You are open to new ideas. It's not easy just to see the goal of the project, to see, to understand, and to develop the project. It means that you will think strategically. And if you do that, if you are able to do that, it means you achieve very many. You achieve a lot. I am proud of you. Thank you so much. And good luck to all of you. Good luck.